Imagine waking up on a Monday morning with no boss to report to, no alarm screaming in your ear, and your bank account growing while you sip your coffee. Sounds like a dream, right? But for many people, it's becoming real. Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or just want more freedom in your life, building an income stream that brings in $10,000 a month is possible. You don't need to be rich, famous, or a genius to make it happen. All it takes is a plan, patience, and the right moves. If that sounds like something you want, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the steps that can help you go from $0 to $10,000 a month. 10. Start with one solid skill. If you want to start making money, the first thing you need is one solid skill that others are willing to pay for. This can be anything: writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, coding, or customer service. Don't try to learn everything at once. Choose one thing and focus on getting really good at it. Think about what you're naturally good at or what you enjoy doing, then build from there. There's no need to spend money up front either. You can find free tutorials and courses on YouTube, blogs, or educational platforms. Practice until you're confident. Your goal is to turn that skill into something valuable. Once you've got it, that becomes your first tool to earn money. It's the foundation for everything else. Without a skill, it's like trying to build a house without bricks. Take time to build your ability, and you'll be surprised how many people are willing to pay for something you know how to do well. 9. Offer freelance services. Once you've developed a solid skill, the next step is to offer it as a freelance service. There are tons of people and businesses out there who need help, and platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with them. You won't start off making thousands, and that's okay. In the beginning, it's about building experience and getting a few good reviews. Create a clear, honest profile. Explain what you do, show some examples of your work, and make sure to communicate well with your clients. Focus on delivering more than expected. Even if you're charging $50 a job right now, those early projects help you learn how to work with clients and improve your offer. The better your results, the more likely people will refer you or come back for more. Over time, you can raise your rates and attract better opportunities. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to turn your skill into real income, and it's how many people get started. 8. Build a portfolio and online presence. Now that you're getting freelance work, it's time to build a place that shows people what you can do. That could be a simple website, a LinkedIn page, or even a social media profile. Show your past work, testimonials, and results. Make it easy for people to understand what you do and how to hire you. This builds trust and helps you stand out. A clean portfolio shows you're serious, and it gives clients confidence to pay you higher rates. 7. Create a personal brand. Once you've built some confidence in your skill and have a few happy clients, it's time to start creating a personal brand. This doesn't mean you need a fancy logo or a full website right away. Just start showing up consistently. Share your work on social media, talk about what you're learning, and offer tips related to your skill. When people see you being active and helpful, they start to remember you. Over time, that trust turns into opportunities, better clients, higher paying projects, and even partnerships. Your personal brand is really just your online reputation. The more value you share, the more people will see you as someone worth hiring or working with. Don't overthink it. Just be yourself, stay consistent, and keep showing up. Building a personal brand won't make you rich overnight, but it's one of the smartest ways to grow your income and open doors that freelancing alone might not reach. 6. Start raising your rates. At this point, you've got some experience, a few happy clients, and a decent online presence. Now it's time to raise your rates. Many freelancers stay stuck charging low prices out of fear they'll lose clients, but the right clients are willing to pay more for quality. If you're delivering good results, don't be afraid to charge more. $1,000 project takes less time and energy than 10 $100 ones. Focus on value. Show clients how your service helps them make or save money, and your rate starts to make sense. 5. Build systems to save time. Once you're earning a steady income, time becomes your most valuable resource. You can't scale up if you're stuck doing everything manually. Start creating systems, use templates, automate emails, use scheduling tools. These small things save hours every week. If you find yourself repeating a task, find a way to simplify it. This gives you time to take on more clients, or better yet, focus on building something more scalable. like a product or a course. Systems are how you turn your freelance hustle into a real business. 4. Offer high-ticket packages. Now you've got experience, systems, and a strong brand. It's time to shift from small jobs to high-ticket packages. Instead of charging per hour, start offering full solutions. If you're a writer, offer content strategy. If you're a designer, offer branding packages. Clients will pay more for outcomes than just time. This could easily bring in a few $1,000s per client. With just a few high-ticket clients each month, you're already halfway to your $10,000 goal. Focus on solving big problems and price your service based on results, not just hours worked. 3. Launch a digital product. Here's where things really start to scale. You've got a skill, you've built trust, and people see you as someone who knows what they're doing. Now take that knowledge and package it into something others can buy, like an ebook, an online course, or templates. You build it once, and it can sell over and over again. Use your personal brand and audience to promote it. Even if it only brings in $1,000 a month at first, that's income that doesn't depend on hours worked. It adds up fast. 2. Build multiple income streams. Once you have one solid income stream, don't stop there. Look for ways to create other streams that connect with what you're already doing. That could be affiliate marketing, consulting, coaching, or launching more products. The goal here is not to spread yourself too thin, but to have multiple sources of income that work together. This helps you stay secure and grow faster. If one income stream slows down, the others keep you going. It also makes it easier to hit that $10,000 goal and keep growing beyond it. 1. Scale with a team or automation. The final step to hitting and maintaining $10,000 a month is learning how to scale. At some point, you'll hit a limit with your time. You either hire people to help you or you build systems that work without you. That could mean hiring a virtual assistant, bringing on a team member, or investing in better tools. If you're selling digital products, set up an automated funnel to bring in leads and sales. If you're running a service, delegate the work so you can focus on strategy and growth. Scaling isn't about working more, it's about working smarter. So there it is, a clear step-by-step path to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. Start with a skill, grow your freelancing, build your brand, create products, and scale from there. It takes time and effort, but it's more possible than ever before. The internet has opened the door for anyone willing to put in the work. If this guide helped you or gave you a new idea, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your next chapter starts today. Let's build it.